Hi everyone, my name is Jeannie Iovino and I'm a EdTech specialist for NetSwamp and Leonardo. I would like to introduce to you Park Online. Park Online is a great place to view practice tests that are exactly like what our students experience during the field tests. This is really important not only for staff to take to better understand what our students need to know, but it's also great for students to take. That way when they sit down for Park for the first time, their mind isn't totally blown by what they're seeing. It's not even a bad idea to suggest to parents that they check out the Park test also. To get here, go to parkonline.org, right up here. Once you're here, you want to choose Practice Tests in the corner, and then click Park Practice Test when the screen is finished loading. From here, scroll down, click on View Test Preparation, and then you click Practice Tests. From here you have two choices. You can either begin by taking ELA practice tests or mathematics practice tests. Click the green button and choose a grade level. One important thing to notice on this screen is the green View Answer keys. If you want to see just how you would have done on a Park practice test, make sure to check out the answer key. Choose your grade level and click Standard Test Nav version. From here, you can go right ahead and click the blue Start Test Now button. I hope you enjoy taking the Park test, and I hope it's informative to you. And I hope you share the information with team members, students, and parents. If you have any questions or would like to know more, please email your EdTech specialist. Thanks. Have a great day.